Down. Jump on that side. No, to make it match. Yeah. That's it. Stop. Keep doing that. All right, up. All right, Norman. You can see from there that if my son stands on this side, it will cause it to jam because this side here doesn't come down properly. Go again. Show him. You see the cable? Look. Go. That's how it's gonna lock up. So stand in the middle. Up. And down. Alright, so if there's equal weights on the load, it's fine. If you put weight on one side, it's definitely gonna jam. You know that I'm not a lift specialist, so you know, get it checked properly to see why this is happening. I managed to get it right for you for today. Look, if you don't come off it completely, stand off of it. Down. Yeah, it works. But if you have uneven weights, it's not going to work. All right, my guy.